Welcome to all of you guys. I am present among you guys with a very good concept. If you are the new on the channel, subscribe to channel and press the bell icon so that you can get the notification of the video. In today's plan, which is I am sharing with you, it's a not a network marketing plan. It's a pure money generation business opportunity. As you can see on the screen, the name of the company is Limra Trade Wealth Management Service Private Limited. Trades in commodities and generates money from here. As you can see on the screen, the company has an offer going on here. Here you get guaranteed return on commodities trading from 5,000. You can start this concept. 2,780 rupees daily can be earned from here. If you refer someone else, then you get 5% commission directly. Let's talk about Limra Trade MCX packages, friends. The first package is 5,000. You get 70 rupees daily here. Talking about the second package, there is a second package 10,000 in which you get 140 daily. 300 rupees daily is available on 20,000 package and 450 daily for 30,000 package. 600 daily is available for 40,000 package and 750 daily is available for 1 lakh packages and 750 daily is available for 1 lakh package. Talking about you get 1500 daily here. As for the website of the company, www.limratrademcx.com, its official website here. The company has message here, trading will change your life. The number is given on the screen. You can also get information by calling. Generates profit by doing complete ride on whatever money you invest inside the company and share it with you. Now we talk about account handle plan. You can earn 2 lakh profit monthly from here. This facility is applicable to you on investment above 5 lakh, in which the company tax 50% sharing. Why to join LimraTradeMCX.com? Registered trading company from India. The company has more than 10 years of trading experience. Here you get daily guaranteed return, zero risk plan, and here free trading tips are also provided with you package. As you can see on the screen, some limited offers of the company are running. If you are join this system, then here you get a daily profit of 2,780 with a package of 1 lakh. With 5,000 package you get 100 rupees daily. With 10,000 package you get 250 for daily. With 20,000 package you get 444 daily. Talking in the same way about last package, then with 1 lakh package you get 2,700 rupees daily here. The full name of the company here is Limra Trade Wealth Management Service Private Limited. Company doing trading in a commodity section, cryptocurrency, forex. You can see the rest of the company's mobile number on the screen and get more information by calling. As you can see on the screen, the company's special offer is going on. To get information about the offer, you can call the number given in the description. Here the company provide paid tips in which you can earn profit 20,000 monthly. The company work with 90% accuracy. On the capital of 2 lakh, the company generate 80,000, out of this 40,000 is taxed as a commission. Above 3 lakh capital, the company generates 1 lakh 20,000 profit, out of which 50% company tax its profit sharing. We'll talk about the company safe trading. Minimum capital from 25,000 to 1 lakh, the company generates a profit 20%, and on the capital from 1 lakh to 5 lakh, the company generates a profit of 15%. Above 5 lakh, company generates 12.5%. The bigger the capital, the less profit and risk is also reduced here. Great trading offer. Don't miss per day 1,500 income bank account credit. Friends, here the company's plan is complete, and to join this trading opportunity, I have given the number of the top leaders in the description. You can get more information by calling the number. I meet you guys with a new business opportunity. Till then, take care and bye bye.